be taken by the offender of his public position. Number 2, that the crime be committed in contempt or with insult to the public authorities. Number 3, that the act be committed with insult or in disregard of his respect due the offended party on account of his rank, age, or sex, or that is be committed in the dwelling of the offended party, if the latter has not given publication. Number 4, that the act be committed with abuse of confidence or abuse ungratefulness. Number 5, that the crime be committed in the palace of the chief executive or in his presence or where public authorities are engaged in the discharge of their duties or in a place to religious worship. Number 6, that the crime be committed in the night time, or in an inhabited place or by a band whenever such circumstances may facilitate the commission of the offense. Whenever more than 3 armed malefactors shall have acted together in the commission of an offense, if it shall be deemed to have been committed by a band. 7, that the crime be committed on the occasion of conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamity or misfortune. Number 8, that the crime be committed with the aid of armed men or person to ensure or afford impunity. Number 9, that the accused is recidivist is one who at the time of his trial for one crime shall have been previously convicted by final judgment or another crime embraced in the same title of this code. Number 10, that the offender has been previously punished by offense to be which the law attaches an equal or greater penalty, or for 2 or more crimes to which it attaches a lighter penalty. Number 11, that the crime is committed that the crime be committed in consideration of a prize, reward, or promise. 12, that the crime be committed by means of inundation, fire, poison, explosion, stranding of a vessel, or international damage thereto, derailment of a locomotive, or by the use of any other artifice involving great risk and pain. Number 13, that the act be committed with evidence, premeditation. Number 14, that the craft, riot, or disguise be employed. Number 15, that advantage be taken of superior strength or means means be employed to weaken the defense. Number 16, that the act be committed with treachery. There is treachery when the offender commits any crimes against the person employing means, methods, or forms in the execution thereof which tend directly and especially to ensure its execution without risk to himself arising from the defense which his offended party might make. That means being Number 17, that means be employed or circumstances brought about which add ignominy to the natural effects of the act. Number 18, that the crimes be committed after unlawful entry. There is an unlawful entry which an entrance of a crime, a wall, roof, floor, door, or window be broken. Number 20, that the crime be committed with the aid of person under 17 years of age by means of motor vehicle, motorized watercraft, earthships, or other similar means. And last, 21, that the wrong done in the commission of the crime be deliberately augmented by causing other wrong not necessary for its commission. Thank you.